Okay, so I have cleaned some of the parts at the very least. This is one of the floppy drives. I'm pretty sure it's 360K, but we'll find that out in a bit. And yeah, I currently have it hooked up and I'm about to power it on for the first time. I did check for shorts while I was cleaning and there are no shorts, so I think we should be good to power it on, hopefully. Let's see. Wait, power switch, there we go. Oh, okay, there was a bit of activity there for a moment. And I'm gonna have to go into CMOS setup as well. And don't mind the mess. I am currently working on many things at once right now, especially like getting stuff cleaned up and hopefully eventually tested. So let's just do that. We can also remove that because we do not have a hard drive connected right now. And let's just try 360K for now. Save and exit. Yes. And I did also already clean the heads using some isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, so hopefully it won't like trash the disc. Ooh, okay, got some seeking and some other activity as well, so that is certainly good. The spindle's still running. Huh. Why? Okay, spindle's spun down. Oh, now it's back up again. Okay. Let's try B. B drive. Oh, it's reading. Hey, it's reading. Oh, that definitely needs a bit of oil. Okay, give me a moment. But it does look like it works. That is good. That is very good. Okay. Let's see. Oil. Add a bit to top shaft here. Put the disc back in. Okay, I think it might actually be the spindle that's squeaky. I can probably add a bit of oil right now. There we go. That's a little bit better. And look, it's reading from our B drive. So, yeah, the disk that's in there right now is a bootable floppy disk that I already wrote previously. Let's try swapping the drives in the BIOS so that then we can try and boot from that drive. Floppy drive enabled. Save and exit. Okay, and we'll remove the 3.5-inch disc. Let's see if it boots. Once again, it's very squeaky, but seems to be booting. Okay, and we got boot. Okay, so our first floppy drive works. And yeah, as you can see, it's definitely been through a few things. Even after cleaning, there's still a good bit of rust on things, especially the stepper motor here with its, iron core and everything. But yeah, that's nice. So I can officially say that this drive works, and let's move on to the second drive. Okay, and here is our second drive. As you can see, it is a lot more rusty even after cleaning, so Let's just hope that it works. I'm just gonna mount the phone on the tripod real quick. And this is immediately after filming for the first drive, so if it works, it should just be able to boot up right away. Let's just put a disk in there ahead of time. Flip the power. Oh wait, it's already on. Yeah. Okay, power is flipped and on. Okay, no sparks, so that is good. Let's see if it's able to seek. I did also already oil, like, oh. Okay, that did not sound good at all. Okay. Let's see. No damage to the disc itself, so that's good. Okay, I think the disc was just shifted a little bit off. Okay, let's see if it boots. Okay, and it boots. Alright, that's good. I thought for a moment there that the drive just destroyed a 360K disc, but no, it was just a little bit misaligned inside. I guess that's just what happens when the faceplate is like partially shattered. It's not nearly as bad as the hard drive where there's literally just a corner left and a resistor has been torn off by whatever broke it, but yeah, as you can see here, it's a little bit easy to misalign the disc on accident, but yeah, let's do a quick directory check. And there we go, it's reading the disc. Okay, so that concludes the floppy drive testing portion of this video. I think next I will be testing out some expansion cards using this Turbo XT board that I've had sitting around for a while, because I also do not know if this works either. And there's also the original board from the PC clone as well. I'll have to check that as well eventually, but yeah, aside from the hard drive, nothing so far that I've checked has any short circuits, so that is very good. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I will be continuing to do more stuff, hopefully, over the course of this week. And I also have to put this motherboard into this case. So, yeah, until next time, I'm out. See ya.